So all of a sudden our bobcat doesn't want to start, so not sure what happened there. It was running great. We got all those boards up top. We got these to go yet. And I found a super cool little treasure. Never know what we're gonna find out here. Check this out. Cargill, this is the company that used to own the grain elevator. So this must have come to the surface while the guys were out here leveling off the dirt. So that's kind of a fun find for the day. Did you do any measuring? Is it going to be even to get all of them in there?
Let's hope so.
I know, seriously, did you measure?
Maybe you want to go get a tape.
Okay. What are we measuring? Just what you got left?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just measure something.
You want me to just measure something?
Yeah.
You're just trying to get rid of me? Send me for the tape measure. Just a hair under 40. I'm just trying to save you from having to redo it all.
We had 3 different sizes, right?
Yeah.
Which is, we had a square, and then one that is 1.5,
Okay.
and then the halves. The 1.5s are done. We're out.
Okay.
So now we're going to put in half here, 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 and here, and then a full on these 4.
Okay.
So then it'll stair step it out the same as these.
Nice.
Okay, now we might do that again, but we're about done with this one and that one. It's going to start getting there.
Oh, that'll look nice.
And we're just going to put at some point where the taper is basically what we want, but everybody's going to have a little bit of a standing area.
Perfect.
I don't know how many people are going to be standing up at different weddings and different things for, whatever. This is
It's just going to frame this all out nice, so this is awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you, daughter, for your leftover patio stone.
So
It's working good.
that's what we're doing.
Are you measuring?
Why would we do that?
Something.
We don't ever do that, and that's how. See,
I know. You did a good job.
Okay, that's how we do.
Guess first, measure second.
Do a bigger hammer and just bang it into place.
There you go. All you need is a big hammer.
So we'll put 2x4s like this,
Okay.
and then we'll put the deck boards like that.
Are you going to measure any of those?
Are you?
We know how I measure.
Okay, so there we
Very
go.
poorly.
So we could either have you measure or not measure, and it would be the same thing now, wouldn't it?
Yes, it probably would
Okay.
be. It'd probably be worse.
Let's see how they fit, and then maybe we'll pick them up.
Okay.
I should just cut that. Yeah.
Oh, there you go. Wow, sometimes you just gotta push them around a little bit. Oh my goodness. Woo, that looks amazing. Yay, the pergola is done. It looks so pretty. Completely 100% repurposed wood. All we bought were the screws and then our patio blocks, which are very, very dirty, but those will get cleaned up. And that was awesome. There you have it, ladies and gents. Beautiful 360 here.